Has anyone ever explained to you why condo prices have come down so drastically from 2022? Well, let me explain. In this graph, what you're looking at is new condo completions, so buildings that have been completed and the keys are handed over to those buyers who originally purchased them. You can see in 2021 and 2022, new condo completions were on the lower side, and that, as well as the hot market we were having where people were buying resale condos, caused a big price boost. Now, as you see, 2023, 2024, 2025, we are having a record number of new condo completions that are coming to the market. And at the top, you'll see that little blue, the light blue color, are unsold units. So when the building completes, those go into the resale market. Now, because we have suddenly had such a flood of supply, we have limited demand due to consumer confidence issues as well as higher interest rates. We suddenly have lots of supply on the market and not as much demand. So just looking at laws of supply and demand, typically not a lot of demand, lots of stuff for sale, generally means prices are going to come down. Now, what you should also look at is in 2026, 2027, and 2028, you're seeing that the new completions are starting to trend down. This, in conjunction with the fact that we have not sold many pre-construction units over the last few years, means that come 2027, 2028, we're going to have a major shortage of new condo completions, and we might also have a shortage then in the resale market as well, or at least more pressure applied to the resale condo market. And another thing to keep in mind is when we do sell pre-construction real estate, it takes anywhere from 4 to 6 years for that building to be completed. So given the fact that we haven't actually sold any pre-construction in the last few years because consumer sentiment has been low, that means that it's going to be a shortage. Even if we hit 2028, things pick up again, we're not going to see those completions for another 4 to 6 years. So all in all, what this means is that right now we have condos on sale because there is a lot of supply in the market. And in the very near future, we are going to have very limited supply. And even if demand stays the same, that means that we're going to have a great return on condos. Hopefully this helps in explaining why condos are so inexpensive right now compared to a few years ago and where the opportunity lies in the long term.